The Persian New Year starts on the very first day of spring. It's March 21st on the Gregorian calendar. We call our new year Nowruz. It means a new day in Farsi. Today we walk you through the course of our preparations for Nowruz.
People, what is up? It is time to go khareeding. What in good God's green earth am I talking about khareeding? Khareed is the Persian word for shopping. ING makes a word continuous. I took the Persian word khareed, put ING, made it continuous. Let's go shopping. Okay, do you see how beautiful these things are? These are all part of an Iranian Nowruz tradition. A table that's set, that's called hafsin. Haf means 7 in the Persian language. We're gonna get to that. I'll take you step by step. Let's keep shopping. Let's shop till we drop.
Before Nowruz actually starts, there are many traditions that take place. For example, one of my favorites, of course, is shopping. And I'm not talking about clothes shopping alone. There's so much more that go into it. From grocery shopping to pastries for things for your house. And of course, setting up the hafsin table. Hafsin is a beautiful arrangement on the table with several different items that all start with the S sound in the Persian alphabet. And of course, like I said, clothes shopping, one of my favorites. Let's go.
Okay, one of the big traditions of Nowruz is what? On the day of the new year, wear new clothes. So of course, I gotta buy a new shirt, new pants, new belt, new socks, new underwear, new shoes. Maybe even some new hair. Okay, another one of the traditions that I simply adore, of course, is buying pastries. Whether you want to buy cakes, cookies, cream-filled pastries, I love them all. And this store has it all. Let's take a look. Let's keep going.
From cleaning your windows to dusting to vacuuming, khune tekuni, or some sort of spring cleaning, is hard work, but also at the end can be very rewarding because the house is spick and span. Khune tekuni can be and is very time consuming. You really have to put elbow grease in it. You have the drapes dry cleaned, every nook and cranny's dusted clean and looking good when it's all said and done.
Okay, another one of the traditions is called khune tekuni, which literally translates into house shaking. It's got nothing to do with shaking the house. It's more like spring cleaning. We're gonna see this guy here. One of my friends recommended him to me. They say he's a little cheeky, little uptight, little high-strung, but all in all, the guy's an all right egg. Let's check him out. Bale, how are you? Press TV. الان اومدین؟ Hey, this is Sunday. مگه نگفتی یک شنبه میایین؟ Today's Sunday. خاک بر سرم امروز یک شنبه است.
I got help from some friends that were so kind enough to help me put the drapes up, and wow, the place looked magnificent.
It is a beautiful, crisp evening, and I'm standing on the edge of the Burj of Milad, which means Milad Tower. There's a nice little celebration going on for Nowruz. I got my main man here. How you doing, buddy? You guys got a head bigger than mine. Let's enjoy the celebration.
Milad Tower is one of the tallest towers in the world, and they were holding a great celebration for the Nowruz holidays there. The kids were having an amazing time. The place was jam-packed with people eating, laughing, and having a wonderful time. There were stands set up all over the place from many different areas of Iran.
As I was strolling around Milad Tower, what really caught my attention was this huge tent. Now what's unique about it is it's filled with, sure, snacks, treats, all kinds of booths that have all these things. But each booth represents a different province of Iran. Let's go check them out. And of course, I'm gonna eat something. Pistachio.
and of course, the almond. My dear friend Mariam is a very special person. By special, I mean, well, I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag. Stay with us and you'll get to see why and for what reason Mariam is special and what she has to do with our Nowruz special.
یادم میاد که قدیما چند روز مونده بود به عید این داستانای خرید سفره 7 سین و شام شب عید و اینا شروع میشد. با مامانم که میرفتیم بازار انتخاب کردن ماهی قرمز به عهده من بود. باید ماهی کوچولی قرمز رو من انتخاب میکردم، ماهی سفید باید انتخاب میکردیم، سبزی پلو ماهی داشتیم، وسایل سفره 7 سین بود. یاد اون روزا بخیر. وقتی که به اون لحظات فکر میکنم یه عالمه چیزای رنگی تو ذهنم میاد. این ماهی سفیدی که میخوام درست بکنم به سبکی میخوایم درست کنیم که قدیما توی لاهیجان یا توی رشت اینجوری اینو درست میکردن. ماهی رو توی شکمش رو پر میکردن با یه سری موادی که حالا به خصوص سبزیجاتش و اینا مال خود همون محله، با رب انار و این داستانا این توی شکم ماهی رو پر میکنن قطعا با سیر. بعد قدیما که فر نبوده اینو توی تنورای نون سنگکی میذاشتن و در حقیقت طبخش اونجا انجام میشد که ما امروز اینو توی فر انجام میدیم.
Of course, one of the last parts of the Nowruz tradition is what? A fitting meal. We're going to join an old friend of mine. She's a great chef. And we're going to have a scrum-delicious meal. Not just a smoking meal, but a traditional Nowruz meal. Come with me. Hi, خوبی؟ چه خبر؟ قربونه چه خبر؟
I love Iranian foods, especially sabzi polo, which literally translates into rice, herbs, and fish, but it's so much more than just that. The wonderful dish is eaten on the night of Nowruz, and it is basically the main dish of the evening, and it is succulent to the last drop.
Okay, one of the famed old traditions of Nowruz is sitting around the half scene and having someone recite from the book of Hafiz. That's going to take place right now. Mariam's husband will do that for us, so let's take a peek, let's look in, let's see what's going on.
بیا تا گل برافشانیم و می در ساغر اندازیم، فلک را سقف بشکافیم و طرحی نو در اندازیم. اگر غم لشکر انگیز که خون عاشقان ریزد، من و ساقی به هم سازیم و بنیادش براندازیم.
Another wonderful tradition of Nowruz is giving Eid. What is Eid? Well, Eid basically means giving gifts or money to friends and family on the day of the New Year. On most occasions, money is placed within the Holy Quran. Safdar bedar. What does that mean, Safdar bedar? Well, that day, Safdar means 13. And Safdar bedar literally translates into something like Nature Day. Okay, and you and your loved ones and family spend a great day picnicking outdoors. The parks are filled with people, and God willing, the sun is shining, the sky is crystal blue like the ocean, and everyone is having a wonderful time. I hope you enjoyed this Nowruz special. I am Reza Nayabi. God bless. Happy New Year. Nowruzatun Mubarak.